excited and in fact thrilled to share with you the Broadwick story. Broadwick is a company that began 4.5 years ago in a 700 square foot office in downtown Chapel Hill, North Carolina. And it's a story that today has grown into being one of the leading companies in the online communication space. In 2006, we did $2.9 million in online sales. This year we're on track for 6.3, and we're about 15% over plan so far to date this year. Currently doing $470,000 in monthly recurring revenue. Last Thursday we passed 10,000 paying customers. We're adding over 1,000 new customers each month. Our average customer pays us close to $49 per month. We're at 53 employees. We're based in Meridian Parkway here in Durham. My partner Aaron Houghton and I founded this company back in 2003. We bootstrapped it, doing whatever we had to do, living in the office, sleeping on a futon, cooking on a George Foreman grill, eating ramen noodles, jumping in dumpsters, get proof of purchase tags off the boxes to turn into $50 rebate at Staples. Whatever we had to do to get actually some real revenue to the point where people would start to take us seriously. We raised $500,000 last May from the local venture capital firm NCIDEA. They've been a tremendous partner to us. We've used these funds primarily for marketing expansion. By investing $400,000 in online advertising in Q1 '07, we were able to grow our annual revenue stream by $2.4 million, 6x return on ad spend. And since our first financing only 11 months ago, we've increased our monthly revenues from $176,000 to $470,000. So we've been able to identify through these marketing tests some highly scalable channels of customer acquisition. You can see our sales growth on this chart. Currently have an annual run rate of $5.6 million. That with additional funding and additional investment, we can scale further. So what do? We sell something every company, every organization in the world needs: the ability to easily communicate with their customers, subscribers, and prospects. Our product is called IntelliContact. IntelliContact makes it amazingly easy to create, publish, and track email newsletters, surveys, autoresponders, and since our 4.0 release in August 2006, blogs and RSS feeds. In fact, IntelliContact is one of the easiest methods of publishing content to an RSS feed, a technology that's poised to go mainstream in 2007 with the recent launch of Vista and IE7. This is a screenshot of the application, so you can see for yourself just how easy it is to create, send, and track newsletters, feeds, blogs, surveys, and autoresponders. So who are our customers? Well, the majority of our customers are smaller sized businesses. We have some well-known brands using our product like WebAds, Century 21, Remax, International Paper, Symantec. We have two product lines: IntelliContact, targeted at the small business segment, and IntelliContact Enterprise, launched last year, which is targeting mid-tier and larger sized companies. We have lots of room to grow. We're the number 2 player in the small business segment of the email marketing space. Number 1 player is called Constant Contact. They got started in 1998. They have over 90,000 customers. The difference between us and them, they've raised $32 million. We've raised $500,000. Our product is better. We have improved functionality, features, survey and list segmentation, autoresponders, blogging, more templates, better deliverability. The key is customer acquisition. We're adding 1,000 customers a month currently. They're adding 4,000 customers a month currently. With additional funding, we can close that gap. We truly have a world-class rock star team. Our CFO, Tim Oakley, helped take Broadband Technologies public in the late 90s. He was the CFO of OpenSite, which was North Carolina's largest software acquisition, sold in 2000 to Siebel for close to $550 million. He was most recently CFO of CyberTrust down in Atlanta in the email security space. Tim joined our team about a year ago. It's been a tremendous asset. And you can see just how good our Director of Corporate Communications, Chuck Hester, is. Last month we were on the cover of Fortune Small Business Magazine. This month we're on the cover of Success Magazine. So talking about PR, I'd like to sort of go into sort of where we're going next. Our product's been called IntelliContact for the past 4 years. And I'm happy to have the opportunity to unveil and announce for the first time today here a new logo and a new name. We're shortening the IntelliContact name to iContact as of June 1st, 2007. And this is the new logo and the new slogan, "We Simplify Communication," is important because it truly represents where we're going in the future. So what is our mission? What is the future of this company? We're trying to become the worldwide leader in online communication software, to make the easiest web app, the easiest on-demand tool to easily create content and distribute it online. We truly have $1 billion potential. We have a customer acquisition model that's allowing us to scale rapidly. We've successfully executed on becoming a leader in the email marketing and blogging space, and now our vision's expanded to becoming the worldwide leader in online communication software. There are two ways we're doing this. In the world of Web 1.0 communication, let's say 1997, you have one major method of communicating. You have a tool like iContact, sending out a piece of communication to an inbox of a recipient. One tool, one method. In today's world of Web 2.0 communication, there are two major ways businesses communicate online. You have a tool like iContact, sending out content via newsletters into the inbox of recipients, and you have tools like Blogger, TypePad, WordPress, that are allowing customers and businesses to be able to blog and post content to the web. There are two tools, and it's fragmented management of online communications. What we have done and what we are doing is to create a single tool, iContact, that allows businesses to manage all of their online communications online, to create a piece of content once and distribute it to feeds, to newsletters, to blogs, and to automatically syndicate it in search-optimized communities. Talking about the community strategy, what we are doing now is creating an interactive community that allows our visitors, here we got 370,000 unique visitors to our site last month, over 2.7 million page views, not coming to our site to learn about email marketing, but to find content, to find information, and to find answers. We want to allow those visitors to interact with that content, to allow us to increase the number of people our publishers, our customers, easily communicate with. What we're trying to do is create one single web application to allow all businesses to manage their online communications in one place, while at the same time creating one central place for consumers to manage their online communications, their feeds, their newsletters, their blogs, their podcasts, their videos, their wikis. If we can do that, if we can accomplish that goal, we'll become the leader in the online communication space, a $25 billion industry. We're looking to raise $4 million in the second half of this year to aggressively expand our customer acquisition channel and to greatly expand beyond email marketing with our multi-channel and community strategies. The long-term vision of becoming the worldwide leader in the online communication space. I'd like to leave you with these key points. We're a rapidly growing 53-person software as a service company with 10,200 customers and over $470K in monthly sales. You can see the growth just in the past 11 months. We have sustainable, unique technological advantages that are allowing us to grow inexpensively at an advantage to our competitors. We're the second largest provider now in our space with the ability to become number one over the next 2 years. We're creating a community of millions of visitors to allow our publishers to more easily communicate with more people. And we have a driven, experienced team that's focused on making iContact the world-leading web app for online communication. This is my contact information. My new email address is ryan@icontact.com. Thank you so much for allowing me to share the Broadwick and soon-to-be iContact story with you today. And finally, I'd like to leave you with a big thanks from all of our team at iContact. Thank you.